Bitcoin spent another day comfortably perched above $19,000 and well within the narrow range it has held for more than a month. Other major cryptos were also up or down in small increments, albeit slightly more to the red. The CoinDesk Market Index, CMI, a broad-based market index that measures the performance of a basket of cryptocurrencies, was down 0.9% over the past 24 hours. Before we continue, if you enjoyed watching the video, please share your thoughts by clicking the like button and writing them in the comments section below. If you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell, you will be among the first people to find out when new videos are published on the channel. So let's just get started. Bitcoin, BTC, waited for cues at the October 24 Wall Street Open as expectations of a breakout ran high. Despite hitting weekly highs overnight, Bitcoin suffered from a declining trajectory on the day. Mikhail van der Poppy, CEO and founder of trading firm 8, put the sell levels to beat at $19,600 and $20,700. Bitcoin's Bollinger Bands continue to contract on weekly timeframes, reaching rare levels. The Hong Kong Hang Seng saw its biggest daily drop since the Lehman Brothers implosion in 2008. Bitcoin's current increasing correlation with gold was something to take note of, Charles Edwards, founder of Capriole, noted. The SEC, Securities and Exchange Commission, filed a lawsuit against Ripple Labs, the company behind the XRP token, and its top executives in December 2020. The regulator alleged that Ripple sold unregistered securities, XRP, violating the securities law. A positive outcome has the potential to send XRP price back toward its all-time high at $3.40 and further towards $50. XRP price is currently looking at a 45% move north if the double bottom pattern plays out. A double bottom is a bullish pattern that appears after a prolonged downtrend. Usually, the trend changes bullishly with support at the second bottom, allowing buyers to take control. XRP price faces resistance marginally below the 50-day SMA, simple moving average, red, and the 100 SMA, blue. The MACD, moving average convergence divergence, dons a buy signal. Traders should look forward to the MACD crossing above the mean line before banking on a significant positive outcome. Dash2Trade is a crypto analytics and intelligence platform for traders and investors. In less than a week, D2T has raised more than $2 million in its pre-sale. Near Protocol's stablecoin, USN, is being shut down. USN became susceptible to under-collateralization during extreme market conditions, which could put investors at risk. The NEAR Foundation is using $40 million to fund the USN protection program to protect investors. Stablecoins are digital assets typically backed by real-world goods, like the US dollar. Japan Credit Bureau announced the start of its central bank digital currency, CBDC, infrastructure testing. The project will prepare the payments platform for a national CBDC, which is currently being tested by the Bank of Japan. JCB plans to develop a payment solution by 2022 and start the demonstration experiments at actual stores by the end of March 2023. Clayton, a metaverse and game-focused public blockchain, announced a governance proposal to reduce its block rewards. The proposed reduction was calculated based on the current circulation of the tokens versus their demand. The team expects to reduce clay inflation, making it more appealing to new investors and boosting its competitiveness while ensuring the sustainability of Clayton's tokenomics. The Clay governance token increased 106% from $0.1387 to a peak of $1.2865, following news of a new token reduction proposal. It has fallen more than 97% from its all-time high of $4.40 on October 9, 2021. In 2022, over $4 billion have already been invested in crypto games, metaverses, and incubators to boost this new industry. Cathie Wood, CEO of ARK Investment Management, said she purchased $100,000 worth of Bitcoin when it was trading around $250. She hasn't sold any of that initial investment, meaning her current profit would be around $7.6 million. ARK eventually was able to get Bitcoin exposure via the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, GBTC. The ARK Next Generation Internet Fund currently holds about 5.9 million shares of GBTC valued at roughly $67.4 million. The Axie Infinity token, AXS, posted a new 52-week low of $8.58 earlier today. It is the biggest loser among the top 100 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization over the past 7 days. The primary driving force behind the downfall of AXS likely revolves around fears that private investors will sell their holdings following today's scheduled unlock and distribution. If they purchase AXS today, they'll lock in a hefty 10,650% win on the books. Axie's struggled to grow, with its player count dropping from 2.78 million during the start of the year to just about 701,447 today. Apple has rejected calls to exempt non-fungible tokens, NFTs, from its 30% Apple tax on in-app purchases. Monday updates mark the first time Apple has provided specific rules for NFTs in its App Store guidelines. The update also bans apps from offering exclusive access to NFT owners, or from linking their users to third-party sites where they might buy, sell and mint them. A bidding war broke out on Friday over 8 skateboards authenticated by an embedded chip. Each board is plated in 24-karat gold and weighs 45 pounds. The highest bidder paid just over $400,000 for one of the skateboards. After the auction ended, the top successful bidder called the skateboard community the most degen community he'd ever seen. The physical items are backed by a physically backed token or PBT, which links a physical item to a digital token on the Ethereum blockchain. The company says the technology can be used to prove the authenticity of physical goods in a way that leverages blockchain technology. Trading volume of Reddit non-fungible token, NFT, avatars has eclipsed $1.5 million in the past 24 hours. The increase represents over one-third of the collection's cumulative trading volume of $4.1 million since launch. Daily sales volume also witnessed a new all-time high of 3,780 digital collectibles changing hands. Since their launch in July, more than 2.9 million collectible avatars have been minted.